So you might be wondering why we're showing you a park, and this is because it's our most favorite place in all of Medellin.
Oh yeah. Now we're on a taraki, konnichiwa.
Buenos dias and welcome back to our channel Colombia Expats. I'm Sam and my husband's Nick, and we moved permanently to Medellin Colombia over 2 years ago at this point, and we document all of our travels on our YouTube channel around this beautiful country of Colombia, and we document our life actually over on social medias at Colombia_expats if you're looking to see what it's like to live and breathe this beautiful country every day. And today we are at our most favorite place in the entire Medellin city. We're at Parques del Rio, and this is truly one of the best places that you can visit in this beautiful city. It's free, it's fantastic, and we can't wait to show you around. So let's get going. This park in Laureles called Parques del Rio is not only one of our most favorite parks in this beautiful city of Medellin, but let me tell you that this park is specifically amazing for multiple reasons. This park is actually fairly new, and it was built a couple of years ago. When we first started coming to Medellin in 2021, we actually this park didn't exist. So over the years, it's really been built up, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful parks you can find in the city, and it's privately owned. So that means that they have their own private security. So they really pride themselves on having a safe and clean park around the clock, which is so nice. Mostly because the other major parks tend to be in some other areas of the city that you might not want to go visit at nighttime in particular, but this park is beautiful day, night, afternoon, rainy times, sunny, beautiful weather like today, all the time.
Gus, what do you think?
One of my favorite things to do, and this is gonna sound very random, but on a Wednesday night, is to come to this beautiful park. It's beautiful all the time, like I said. It's a Saturday afternoon right now, and it's not super crowded because it's actually very hot.
And if you come here at nighttime, or even right now in the morning time, there is always some kind of fitness activity or a dance class or something kind of moving. So if you're interested in that, behind me is the place to go. And if you do want to stop off for a drink or a snack, there are definitely all these restaurants right behind me, and they range from cafes to brunch places. But during the day and into the night, there are tons of little carts that sell any kind of drink you can think of, including alcohol and foods, like street foods. So definitely come check this out. As you can see right now as I'm walking, the restaurants behind me, the little carts are gonna open here in a few hours. This is why you can see this is our favorite place in the city.
Did an entire Christmas video at this park, and I'll link it up here for you to watch if you're interested. But Nick was talking about Christmas being the time to come to Parques del Rio here in Medellin, and that is because this entire river that is next to the park is completely lit up with lights. And there are just light displays and decorations all over this park at that time of year, and it is so beautiful. I can't even describe how beautiful it is. It is something you have to come see for yourself. And there's just all of these stands. I wonder if they're having an event maybe a little bit later today, which is a very common thing.
Good to know.
We just ran into someone who recognized us, and she was telling us that these stands, they're doing an artisan fair here at 1 o'clock, and it's currently almost noon. So I don't know if we're gonna make it. We've got lots of plans today. So, but how cool. And this is why we love this park. We had no idea this was happening. And I bet at 1 o'clock it's gonna be so much fun. Also, the culture here in Colombia, they don't really require dogs to be on leash. And that's great for Goose because he's a very friendly dog and loves to play with the other dogs. but it's always so cute because all of these dogs are always out playing. So behind me, if you can see, are all of these like big buildings. And these big buildings are actually a bunch of different things in the city. But over here is the opera house, or like a big theater that we've seen an opera show at. And there's ballet shows there. And these are all convention centers. What do you think, buddy? Are you hot? It is hot today. What do you think, babe?
It's hot. It's warm out here. And unfortunately, it's really hazy today, so you can't see really the surrounding mountains. But typically, when it's a nice clear day, it's surrounded by the valley and it's green and it's so beautiful. But nonetheless, a nice day. So when we moved Goose here, we knew this was one of the most dog-friendly countries in the world. Like, actually, there are restaurants that have menus for dogs, like everyone loves dogs. But here in this park, they take it a step further. The water fountains not only have a water fountain for humans, but the excess water flows down the side and it goes into this little piece like on the bottom, and dogs can drink out of that. So it's a water bowl for you and for your pet. This is probably the best free thing to do you could possibly find. There's also a tourism office in the middle of this park. They probably give you a free walking tour. They'll tell you where to go, what to do. Grab some drinks, grab a blanket, go on the lawn, or just stroll around. And there's even a bar, so if you need beer, there's definitely a bar.
This is one of my favorite spots in the entire park, day and night, because behind you can see the rolling hills of Medellin with all of those like terracotta peach buildings in the background. And to me, this is like a perfect reflection of how beautiful this city is. Are you hot too, babe?
I wish I could do that. But a pro tip, if you want to come here and get one of these amazing chairs and share it with your family or whatever, you got to get here early because they do fill up. Like, these obviously fill up fast. So get your blanket, get your food, and just come camp out and take one all day.
And this park is called Parques del Rio, and Rio means river. And so right behind me is the river. It is so beautiful over here. And like I said, at Christmas time, it's just so amazing. Oh my gosh, look.
Can't walk on the thing.
It's like these weird like ground things, and he can't walk on them.
But he deserves to see the view too,
Yeah,
right?
he does. He does deserve to see the view. What do you think of the view, buddy? What do you think?
Who cares?
Oh, sweet boy. There you go, buddy. You're such a good boy. This dog wants to be in the shade. Understandably. Understandably, he does. I feel like it's abnormally hot. It's so hot.
Should be wearing a hat.
It's April, and usually April is like one of the rainy months in this country and in the city. And it has been rainy. That's why we're out today, because it's so beautiful.
Mm-hmm. But you're here in the middle of the valley and it's definitely hotter. Like, I don't know what it is, but it's definitely hotter and it's a lot more rainy, and it rains harder here.
But we're gonna do a whole video in Laureles, which is the neighborhood where Parques del Rio is in Medellin. So we're gonna do a whole video on that. So stay tuned for that video. But it is just so beautiful. The park, blue skies. The river is like a little bit lower today. Usually it's like really high and moving quickly, but it is just so amazing. This guy is done.
Hide in the shade.
Beautiful day in Medellin. Look at that.
And the building behind me is called EPM, which is the utilities here in Medellin, Colombia. And that's significant because they're the ones that actually own this park. It is a private park funded by them, built by them, the Christmas display, all on their dime. So if you come here and you're wondering what the building is behind me with all the plants outside, that looks really beautiful. It is the utility building. Super safe place to come. Just come check it out. I promise you will love it.
See, do you see how everyone is just at the park hanging out, enjoying their day? There are just so many families. There are people like reading, friends together. Like, it's just so like it's a normal thing to do. If you want to experience like and really people watch and really see the culture live here in Medellin, then just come to this park and just look at everyone just having the best day. I just love it. It's one of our favorite things.
Also, plenty of free public bathrooms. But if you're concerned about drinking the water out of the fountains, do not, because the tap water here in Medellin is completely clean and you can drink it from any tap here in the city and even in the park. But we hope you enjoyed today's video here in Parques del Rio in Medellin, Colombia. It is absolutely our favorite place in the entire city. The secret is out. So come check it out, day, nighttime, whenever. It is always so much fun. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with someone that's coming to Colombia or wants to know what to do here in Medellin or in Colombia in general. Also hit that subscribe button if you want to follow along in all our adventures through here in Colombia and around the country. Thanks for sticking around until the end of this video, and until next time, hasta pronto.
Okay, so
Goose. Goose, come here.
and
Goose.
I promise you'll love it. Like right over here are like what are they called? Like not like conference centers. What are they called?
Goose, come on. I've been drinking it. Don't worry. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. It is so hot. I'm just kind of getting delirious. It's hot. It's hot. Hot, hot, hot. The bee. The bees here are crazy big. Check this out. See if I can find one. They're gigantic.